What if you could carry in your palm the key to preserving your fresh vitality, youthful energy, and even sexual health? It's modest, little, and frequently thrown away without a second look. However, the health and wellness community is taking notice of this underappreciated superfood, and with good cause. South Korean scientists have shared groundbreaking research that was published in early 2024. Particularly in the areas of aging, hormone balance, and male sexual function, their research on the humble pumpkin seed is attracting attention. Indeed, pumpkin seeds, those little kernels that are frequently added to trail mixes or salads, are demonstrating a wealth of health advantages. Here's the catch, though. The majority of people either eat them incorrectly or completely disregard their potential. But before we get right in, if you're worried about your health, click the subscribe button and turn on notifications because this is where we share the facts that no one talks about. And if you're with me, please let me know. In the comment field, put 1 if you're currently viewing and this video speaks to you. Type 0 otherwise. You are unaware of the significance of your voice. You might be surprised to learn that these seeds are a great source of crucial nutrients that can help with your heart, bones, and sleep, as well as enhancing the health of your male genital system. First, let's look at the bigger picture. Nutrients including magnesium, zinc, fiber, antioxidants, and good fats are all abundant in pumpkin seeds. These substances aid in a variety of biological processes, including hormone synthesis, inflammatory regulation, immunological response, and nerve transmission. For example, magnesium supports over 300 enzymatic functions in the body, including those that control blood sugar, muscular health, and cardiovascular function, while zinc is essential for immunological response and cell regeneration. By working in concert, these nutrients help shield your body from internal damage and naturally and sustainably slow down the aging process. However, when we examine the impact of pumpkin seeds on male sexual health, things become much more intriguing. Pumpkin seeds contain extraordinarily high levels of zinc, which is directly related to the creation of testosterone. One of the most frequent underlying reasons of erectile dysfunction, low libido, and exhaustion in older men is insufficient testosterone. Hormonal abnormalities, decreased sperm count, and even infertility can result from zinc insufficiency. These problems can be naturally reversed or avoided by including pumpkin seeds in your daily routine. A significant amount of zinc can be obtained each day from 1 to 2 tablespoons of raw or lightly toasted pumpkin seeds, which can assist to balance hormones and improve sex. In addition to testosterone, pumpkin seeds provide a unique combination of antioxidants, plant-based sterols, and amino acids like tryptophan that promote reproductive health. Serotonin and melatonin, which are necessary for mood and sleep regulation, are produced from tryptophan. Though frequently disregarded, getting enough sleep is essential for maintaining normal testosterone levels. Men who have trouble sleeping frequently noticeably lose their vitality and libido. By using pumpkin seeds, you're addressing one of the underlying reasons as well as the symptoms, which will naturally enhance sleep quality and support hormonal balance. Compounds in pumpkin seed oil have also been shown to help lessen the symptoms of benign prostatic hyperplasia, or BPH, a non-cancerous enlargement of the prostate gland that impairs aging men's ability to urinate and have sex. This illness can cause decreased urine flow, frequent urination, and discomfort, all of which can have an indirect effect on performance and confidence. Over time, these symptoms can be alleviated and the prostate shrunk because to pumpkin seeds' anti-inflammatory and hormone-modulating qualities. Their role in sperm health is another underappreciated advantage. Zinc and antioxidants included in pumpkin seeds have been demonstrated in studies to enhance sperm motility, quality, and quantity. Two of the main causes of men's diminishing fertility, particularly after the age of 35, are oxidative stress and inadequate nutrition. By including pumpkin seeds in your regular meals, you're giving your body nutrients that improve overall reproductive vigor and shield sperm cells from DNA damage. Not to mention that good circulation is necessary for the best possible sexual performance. Pumpkin seeds include magnesium and omega-3 fatty acids, which improve blood flow and reduce blood pressure, therefore supporting cardiovascular health. Not only can improved circulation help your heart, but it also directly contributes to getting and keeping an erection. Since erectile dysfunction is frequently caused by poor vascular health, pumpkin seeds are a surprisingly powerful food-based treatment for enhancing male performance. Let's not ignore their other equally potent impacts after discussing their influence on sexual and reproductive health. Pumpkin seeds' antioxidants, especially their carotenoids and vitamin E, make them a natural anti-inflammatory. These substances lessen the harm done by free radicals, which are unstable chemicals that cause cancer, joint discomfort, and aging. Eating pumpkin seeds every day provides an inherent defense against these harmful substances. Additionally, they contain substances that promote healthy bones, particularly for postmenopausal women whose bone density sharply declines as a result of declining estrogen levels. Pumpkin seeds include zinc and magnesium, which help build bones and lower the risk of osteoporosis. Regularly eating them can help maintain long-term skeletal health and reduce the risk of fractures, particularly in elderly persons. Additionally, pumpkin seeds help to stabilize blood sugar. Fiber and magnesium work together to reduce the rate at which glucose is absorbed, avoiding the spikes and crashes that can cause insulin resistance and ultimately type 2 diabetes. Pumpkin seeds provide a natural remedy for anyone attempting to control their metabolic health or prevent energy slumps during the day. In terms of emotions, they aid in lowering tension and worry. Tryptophan improves mood by boosting the production of serotonin, while magnesium maintains a calm nervous system via controlling neurotransmitters. You feel more alert, grounded, and emotionally balanced all day long thanks to this potent mixture. Zinc is once again the mainstay when it comes to immunological protection. It aids in the production of immune cells by your body, which protect against diseases and viruses. Even a slight zinc shortage can increase your susceptibility to disease. Eating pumpkin seeds on a regular basis gives your immune system the resources it needs to react swiftly and efficiently. Additionally, pumpkin seeds have much to offer those who are watching their hearts. Their good fats increase HDL and decrease LDL, which helps control cholesterol levels. Pumpkin seeds are a great supplement for cardiovascular health when combined with magnesium's function in controlling blood pressure and preserving a healthy heartbeat. Additionally, its fiber content aids in digestion by promoting a healthy gut microbiota and bowel regularity. Pumpkin seeds can be used as a gentle daily digestive aid for people who have slow digestion or frequent bloating. They even improve your skin and eyes. Pumpkin seeds' zinc and fatty acids promote smooth, radiant skin, as well as stronger hair and nails, while their carotenoids and vitamin E lower the risk of age-related vision problems, including macular degeneration. Pumpkin seeds are a natural remedy to revitalize lifeless skin, brittle nails, or thinning hair. Given all of these advantages, it's simple to see why pumpkin seeds are frequently referred to as a functional food. They provide therapeutic benefits that go far beyond simple nourishment. The nicest aspect is how simple it is to include them into your daily schedule. They can be used to salads, sprinkled over oatmeal or yogurt, blended into smoothies, or eaten raw or lightly roasted to enhance their flavor. Their nutrients will become increasingly more accessible if they are soaked overnight to help lower phytic acid, a naturally occurring substance that prevents minerals from being absorbed. To give your body time to get used to the extra fiber, start with 1 tablespoon per day and gradually increase to 2. Although pumpkin seeds are healthy for the majority of people, persons who are on blood thinners, have seed allergies, or have medical concerns like kidney problems should speak with a doctor before incorporating them into their daily diet. Dr. Samuel Boyd is here to remind you that everyday natural decisions are frequently the first step toward true well-being. Despite their modest size, pumpkin seeds can have a big impact on your health, especially your energy, sexual performance, and reproductive system. Pumpkin seeds are an intelligent, reasonably priced, and delectable place to start if you want to support your body organically as it ages while maintaining power and energy. For more videos on evidence-based health solutions using common foods, make sure to subscribe to this channel if you found this one useful. In future episodes, we'll delve further into more nutrient-dense powerhouses, like turmeric, so make sure to click the notification bell so you don't miss it. Take care of yourself, feed your body, and maintain your curiosity till the next time.